we have yet another brand new Lennox Merit series heat pump. Recently installed. 14 SEER 2019, 5-ton. There's the energy guide. It's got a scroll compressor. Don't know if it's an LG or a Copeland. There's a line set. That's all dirty and messed up. And here's the other one I filmed last month. This one has a cleaner compressor, so I can take a good look at the sticker. Yeah, it's a Copeland. Pretty sure that's a Copeland. It's not as clean as it used to be, but it's still a pretty decent unit. And this building has definitely progressed since I was here last. They did the floors and everything. You can see they put blinds in. And they also installed all the door frames. This is pretty much like the other one. Pretty identical. Interlink fan motor. And again, same place where I filmed all the other units. There's the Champion over there. I think one of them just turned on. This is the Grandeur. It's not all that warm right now. Don't remember if this was a 4 or 5 ton. No, this is a 5 ton. I'm pretty sure this one's a 4 ton. Getting cold. And again, this one's a heat pump, that one's a straight cool, and that one's a straight cool. And again, there's the two Trane XB13s. And the carrier base model in the York LX series is way back there. And the Westinghouse is located at that building all the way over there. Yeah, I'm surprised that Grandeur's running. 'Cause it's probably about 64 degrees right now. So yeah, brand new Lennox Merit series heat pump. Definitely come by here and get these running when I get the chance. Yeah, I guess out.